Hello kids, welcome to Kiddie Club. Today, we're diving into the letter C. Are you ready to learn how to write it? Let's start tracing together. First, let's trace the capital C. Ready? Here we go, capital C. Great job. Now, let's trace it again. Capital C. And one more time. Capital C. Now, let's move on to the small c. Let's trace it together. Small c. Awesome. Again, small c. And one last time, small c. Fantastic tracing, everyone. Now, can you find the C egg? You did it. Let's circle that C egg and keep going. Now, let's discover what C stands for. C is for cat. Let's all say it together. Cat. C is also for car. Can you say car with me? Car. Look at that chair. C is for chair. Let's say it together. Chair. And here's a camera. Can you say camera with me? Camera. C is also for coffee. Can you say coffee with me? Coffee. You all did such an amazing job with the letter C today. I had so much fun, and I hope you did too. See you next time, kiddies.